Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Arrowhead Campground and Resort here in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. What a great place. You're going to spend a summer someplace, I'd highly recommend this place, let me tell you. But let's go on into this camp area here. I'm going to take you around the park and show you what I like and what I don't like about it, because there are some of both. You've just entered the Coolest Life RV Camp Review Edition. And this part of the park is different. I even have a little Arrowhead Campground shirt on. It's got volleyball court, which needs a little bit of attention. Definitely a soccer field. You don't see many of those at RV parks. And also there's a big blow-up bouncy thing on the other side, which actually gets used a lot more than I thought it would. Right there is cornhole, so you can actually go to the main office and get check out the bags, so you can actually use that. Also want to show you here dump station. Nice area to turn around if you need to turn around. Maintenance shop. And then here they have horseshoes. I haven't had anybody check out horseshoes yet, but I know of. Trash cans. I'm just kind of doing a circle here. And let's go on up the hill and get this truck past us. Okay, so let you get a little view from the other side. Basketball courts in good condition. They actually get used a lot. And yeah, same thing. You can check out basketballs here too. Tennis court don't get used quite as much as I thought they would. To include, they are lined for pickleball in case you want to play pickleball. And again, we have all those items inside the shop if you want to check them out. Playground and the pool. So now I'm trying to give you a bird's eye view here of the park itself. I'm actually haven't used my drone before. That's why I want to give you some view. You can see that's the horseshoe pit straight ahead. Service bar. There's also RVs up there to the right. Campsites. And there's also a bunch of them on the left. There's lots of wooded areas here. Kind of reminds me a lot of some different parks that you might go to, like state parks. But the roads are nice and wide. You can definitely pass one another. You don't have to go down every road single file. There's room there. So I really like that about this park. And this is the back side. And I wanted to show you this pull-through site that's right here. If I can get my leg off this bicycle. And again, nice. So, water spigots. Looks like someone left their filter out here, huh? Standard water spigots, and then here is your standard hookups. You can see this one here is a 30 amp site. Got two 30 amps, so one for each side. But so that's it. Turn them on and off. Looks like they're all on. That's not good. Should always be off when you're not in them. That's etiquette. So these are actually got sewer hookups, and you got a sewer hookup right here for one, and here for the other. So it depends on how you pull in. There's another hookup there on the other side right there. But that's the pull-through sites, and also behind here some other cabins. They got 4 cabins on this side. But so that's what part of this side of the park looks like. Well, here are some of the spots, and most of these are seasonals, so they're here for a little longer. And then of course you have a sporadic cabin like this one here. Not bad cabin, it's not like a internet and stuff like that. Just hope I don't fall. Left! You want to turn left. And then a good standard spot here. Most of these are 30 amp, except the ones that have the cabins, and the cabins are, almost lost it. Sand. But I'll show you some of the cabins. On the back side of this park is a hiking trail. And it's good for bicycling. It looks like this almost the entire way through. There are some places where there's some clearings and you can go through some higher grass, and it goes on that way there. See it right there? So cool little pass. So definitely a plus. There is an area out here they call dry camping. Basically, you get a fire ring and a picnic table. So if you like to come out in the woods and you like to sit, get in a tent or a little pop-up or something, it's a great place for that. You got a whole lot of them. So as you come into the main office area, they've got lots of things to do in the community. Yeah, that's me making that bell go off. They've got items for sale to include wood. I got an ATM machine in the corner. And this is the main office here where you come to check in. They've got a recreational room here. Basically use this for bingo, different arts and crafts. Actually just got a shipment of supplies. And back there's a game room, which let me go ahead and show you the game room. It's actually pretty good for a game room for an RV park. Let me tell you, because I've seen some that've got like a pool table and 2 games that are broken down. They tend to come in here once a week, and the company that provides these and restocks and everything else. So it's actually a pretty decent game room. It's not great, don't get me wrong. It's not a massive arcade, and there's only one pinball machine. I'm a pinball fan, but they do show movies, and they all show a movie here if it's raining outside, if it's inclement weather. And this is our retail area. We've got slushies and pizza by the slice and full pizzas and everything, and lots of candy and stuff like that you would find in any RV park store. Lots of shirts, and I really like that one. That's a tackle twill. They got a lot of different stuff that you would find. Like I said, you would find also sell beer and drinks and ice and lots of supplies here for camping and lots of RV stuff. And the pool. There's the pool out there. I'll have to show you the pool again when no one's around. Maybe later today. So this is the pool, or should I say one of the pools. This is actually 9 feet 6 because there used to be a board here, but they don't have a board here anymore. You can see how nice and blue it is, and that's actually the bigger pool. Yeah, a good sized pool here. Nice pool area. I like it. Lots of canopies and umbrellas, and there's parking up there, and a lot of the parking up top of the hill is shaded, and they've also got the pavilion down here that they'll have bands and DJ, and sometimes they do candy bar bingo out there. And it's right next door to the other area. And right in here, this blue thing here is where we have the movie. So that's actually an inflatable movie screen is what that is. And they'll bring out speakers in the whole works. It's pretty cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour of the this RV park. I really like this RV park, and if we're ever up in this area again, it would definitely be my RV park of choice, just because of the activities and the different things and the location. It's far enough in town where it's not too far to drive, but it's far enough out of town where you don't get the noise, the traffic, and everything else. So we really like it. But had a good time staying here. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. So, hey, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you're in the area, check out this RV park and come on down to Arrowhead Campground here in Wisconsin Dells. Wisconsin Dells is a whole lot going on, and it's a lot of fun to be here. Anyway, I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe because I need to get back out here living the coolest life.